Hello students, Kajal Miss back with you. Today we are going to deal with rational numbers 1D, continuity of the last videos which we did. Today we are going to find numbers between numbers, okay? Find rational numbers between this and this, that and that, okay? Each sum will carry a minimum of 2 to 3 marks, okay? So this is a very important video for you to see till the end, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my videos so that you can see more of this. Students, you have to find a rational number between 7 upon 10 and 10 upon 17. Now what we have to do? 17 and 10 are not a common multiple of any table. So you have two options, either go in for LCM or I would suggest you to do a cross multiplication. Come on, let's see. Multiply this by this and this by this. What is 17 into 7? 119 upon 17 tens are 117, 10 tens are 100 upon 17 tens are 170. Now these are the two numbers between which we have to find the number, okay? Now we have to find a number between 119 and 100. How will you do it? Simple. You only have to add these both. This becomes 219 upon 170 multiplied by 1 upon 2. That is the half of it, okay? Now students, half of it you can't reduce 2 with 219. So you only have to do is 219 upon 340. This is the number, a rational number between 7 upon 10 and 10 upon 17, 219 upon 350. Since it is not divisible by any common number, so you have to leave it as it is. Let's see how we can do the next sum. Students, it's very easy. Next is 1 3 upon 8 and 2. 1 3 upon 8 and 2. Just look at the steps. Put this into improper. 8 ones are 8 plus 3 11. 11 upon 8 plus 2 upon 1 into 1 upon 2. That's it. This is the only step. But here, since the denominators are different, your first task would be to equalize the denominator. What is the LCM of 1 and 8? 8 only. Do cross multiplication. 11 ones are 11. 8 twos are 16. 8 ones are 8 into 1 upon 2. What is 11 plus 16? 27 into 1 upon 2. This becomes 27 upon 16. So this is the number, a rational number between 1 3 upon 8 and 2 on 1. Maybe sometimes the answer is in mixed fraction. So put it in mixed fraction if desired. 16 ones are 16. How much is remaining? 9. So your answer would be 16 9 upon 16. Should we go ahead with the next sum? Next is minus 3 upon 5 and minus 4 upon 7. Minus 3 upon 5 and minus 4 upon 7. Same. Minus 3 upon 5 plus, that is minus 4 on 7, has to be multiplied by 1 upon 2. What do you mean by multiplying by 1 upon 2? Multiplying by 1 upon 2 means you have to find the half of it, okay? Do the cross multiplication thing. 7 3s are 21, 5 4s are minus 20. Why minus? Plus minus, minus, put a common sign. 7 5s are 35 into 1 on 2. What is 21 plus 20? 21 plus 20 is nothing but 41. So this becomes minus 41 upon 35 into 1 upon 2, which becomes minus 41 upon 70. So a rational number between 3 upon 5, that is minus 3 upon 5 and minus 4 upon 7 is minus 41 upon 70. The next one is minus 2 and minus 17 upon 21. Students, same, minus 2 upon 1 plus minus into 1 upon 2. Is this much clear? I don't think this is very hard. Do a cross multiplication thing. 21 twos are 42 plus minus minus 17 ones are 17, 21 ones are 21, multiplied by 1 upon 2, which becomes minus 59 upon 21 into 1 upon 2, which becomes minus 59 upon 24. Sorry, 24. 42, sorry. So a rational number between minus 2 upon 1 and minus 17 upon 21 is minus 59 upon 42. Students, like we have to find a rational number. A rational number means 1. What if you will have to find 3 rational numbers? Question is, find 3 rational numbers. How will you do this? 4 and 4, 2 upon 3. Step 1. Put this in improper, because this is in a mixed fraction. This becomes 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 upon 3. Step 1. Step 2, equalize the denominators. Multiply this by 3 and 3. LCM is 3, right? This becomes 12, this becomes 14 upon 3 upon 3. Now students, between 12 and 14, there can be only one number, that is 13. Okay, but here we have to find 3 rational numbers. So what can you do? See, there are various steps to do it. One is long method. I can give you a shortcut. Okay, all you have to do is multiply this by 2. Try and do this. No, multiply this by 3, because if you multiply this by 2, I'll tell you what happens. See, if you multiply this by 3, this becomes 36 upon 9, and 14 3s are 42 upon 9. So you will have enough numbers. After 36 comes 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So whichever number you want. If you want 5 numbers, you can get 5 numbers also. What if you will multiply this by 2 and 2? Try it by 2 and 2. See what happens. This becomes 12 2s are 24 upon 6. This becomes 28 upon 6. Even this one is okay. The 3 numbers in between these two are 27 upon 6, 24, 25 upon 6, 26 upon 6 and 27 upon 6. So this is the answer. Students, there are various methods of doing it, but I find this as the shortcut method. Try doing it, multiplying it by 2. If it is not sufficient, you can multiply all by 3, 3, 3 and then do it. Another method is you have to add, multiply it by 1 upon 2, then you will get one number. Then again, next step 3, that would be a 3-page step. This is the shortest way to do it. I'll tell you one more sum on this. Find 3 rational numbers between minus 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 4. Students, in all the sums, in whichever sums you come across in fraction, first thing you have to do is equalize the denominator. Okay, you have to mind the denominator. See, 2 and 4, different denominators, make it same. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. We have to make both the denominators as 4. So this becomes minus 2 upon 4 and this becomes minus 1 upon 4. Now, how many numbers lie between minus 2 and minus 1? No number, no whole number or no such number lies between. But, we can't derive it like this. What you can do is multiply this by, say, 2. If you multiply this by 2 and this also by 2 and 2, see what you get. This becomes 4 and this becomes 2. So you will get only one number. Multiply it by 3 and see. See what you get. 3 2s are 6. No, but if you multiply 6, how many numbers lie between 6 and 3? Minus 6 and minus 3? Minus 5, minus 4. Only 2 numbers. So multiply it by 4 and 4. See, this is a trial and error method thing. Multiply it by 4 and okay, so this becomes minus 8 upon 16 and this becomes minus 4 upon 16. Now I think we will be able to find 3 numbers in between. What comes after minus 8? Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. So the three numbers in between are minus 6 upon 16, minus 5 upon 16 and minus 7, minus 6 and minus 5 upon 16. So these are the three numbers which lie between minus 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 4. Simple. Should I go ahead with the next sum? Why I am teaching you this method? Because this is a universal method and you can find n number of numbers between any two given rational numbers. In other methods, they are very specific to each type. So this method I am teaching you because you can universally use this method in any sum you want. Next is find three rational numbers between 2 and 3. My dear students, between 2 and 3 upon 1 upon 1. Do you find any whole number between 2 and 3? No. So what you can do is multiply this by, what if I multiply this by 4? This becomes 8, and what if I multiply this by 4? This becomes 12. Yes. So I'll be able to find, see what comes after 8? This is 8 upon 4 and this is 12 upon 4. So how many? We want 3 numbers. So after 8 comes 9 upon 4, 10 upon 4 and 11 upon 4. See, so simple it was. Right? You only have to use your logic. Okay? Now my dear students, like this, what if they tell you to find 5 rational numbers in between? They may tell you to find 10, 5, 6. So if they tell you to find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Step 1. See, you have to find 5 numbers in between. Step 1. Find the LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Instead of going in for LCM, you can do a cross multiplication thing also. What is 3 3s are? 9. What is 5 2s are? No, wait. I'll give you this. 3 3s are, this becomes 9. 5 2s are, this becomes 10. 5 3s are, this becomes 15 and this one is also becoming 15. Now how many numbers, whole numbers lie between 9 and 10? Hardly, right? So how we can do? We have to find 5 numbers. What if I make this 45? 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Still I will be getting only 4 numbers. So better if I multiply it by 6. What if I multiply this by 6? 6, 6 and 6. So this becomes 9 6 are 54 and this becomes 60. Yes. This is 54 upon 15 6 are 90 and this becomes 60 upon 90. Now come on students, let us find. What comes after 54? 55. Then 56. Then 57. Then 58. Then 59 and then at last it is 60. So these are the 5 numbers which I got between 54 upon 90 and 60 upon 90. 54 upon 90 was nothing but 3 upon 5 and 60 upon 90 was nothing but 2 upon 3. See, 1, 2, 3. How many marks are you going to get for this? 5 marks for 3 steps. Isn't this a shortcut, student? The next one is find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6. How many? 10. Minus 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6. Students, minus 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? Go to the bigger number 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. 12 appears in the 6 table. Does 12 appear in the table of 4? Yes. So 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. Denominator becomes equal. Whatever you are multiplying down as an extra to make the equal denominator, multiply it with the numerator as well. जो नीचे multiply करते हैं वही ऊपर भी multiply करो. So this becomes 9 minus 9 upon 12 and this becomes 10 upon 12. How many numbers lie between minus 9 and 10? Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and then 9 more numbers. So you will get multiple numbers in between. Jitna chahiye lo tum. So this becomes how much? minus 8 upon 12, minus 7 upon 12, minus 6 upon 12, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, then comes 1 upon 12, 2 upon 12, so on and so forth. You can find as many numbers as you want. I hope you understood this. This was very easy. Okay. Next is find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. How many did they say? 12. Between minus 1 and 2. Is there any denominator here? Yes. 1 लिख दो नीचे, ठीक है? Now how many you have to find? 12. I would suggest you to multiply all by 10. सबको 10 से multiply करो. See what comes. Minus 10 upon 10 and this is 20 upon 10. How many numbers do you want? You will find n, many numbers you will find. After minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12 you want? Okay. 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 20 upon 10. You can find 15 numbers, 16 numbers, as many numbers as you want in this method. I hope you found this method easy, lucid, and please gain full marks. Okay. You are having benefit of digital age. You can watch videos as many times as you want, that too for free. So please take the benefit, utilize it, keep watching, keep YouTubing. See you in my next video. Bye.